Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to log into your Substack writer account with simple steps. Anyone can follow. Welcome to our channel when it comes to getting started on Substack. As a writer, the very first thing you need to do is log into your writer account efficiently. This process is straightforward once you know the steps, so let's dive into the step-by-step guide that will get you writing on your newsletter platform in no time. First, open your preferred web browser. Then go to the official Substack website at www.substack.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that login button, which will direct you to the login page. Here you will have two main fields to fill out, which require your registered email address and your password if you haven't created an account. Yet you can select the option to sign up and follow the prompts to register. For those already signed up, simply enter your correct email address and password with care to avoid any typos. If you ever forget your password, there is a forgot password link underneath the login boxes, which you can click to start the password reset process. It will guide you to enter your email address, and you'll receive a reset link shortly in your inbox. After filling in your credentials correctly, click on the login button below the fields. This action will take you directly to your Substack writer dashboard. Once inside, you'll be able to access all your writing tools, manage your subscriber list, and publish new posts easily. It is recommended to check your browser settings to allow cookies and JavaScript, since these are required for a smooth login experience. Also, for security reasons, it is good practice to log out after you're done working, especially when using a public or shared computer. Following these simple steps ensures you have quick and safe access to your Substack writer account without hassle. So take your time to familiarize yourself with the interface, and soon you will be comfortable managing your newsletters and drafting engaging content. Remember to use a strong, unique password to keep your writer account safe, and consider enabling two-factor authentication if available to add an extra layer of security. Finally, don't forget to bookmark the login page for easy access next time, and always keep your contact information up to date in your account settings to avoid login interruptions. With these tips, you are now ready to embark on your Substack writing journey. Every newsletter you create is an opportunity to connect with your audience and build your community. Happy writing and good luck!